If you're a serious woodworker who's committed to keeping your tool edges sharp and ready for use, what name comes to mind when you think of water-cooled power sharpening systems? I'll bet the first brand that comes to mind is Swedish-made Tormek. They've been building this T-series of slow-speed grindstone honing wheel combination machines for decades. And these days, while there are copycats of this system, Tormek continues to be the industry leader in this power sharpening category and the wide range of jigs that go with it. But maybe you're not familiar with Tormek, and if that's the case, let me give you a quick tour of the machine to show you what it can do. Now this is Tormek's T8 original machine. It features a one-piece zinc framework for durability and to make it rust-proof. The machine is powered by a continuous duty motor that's rated for 25,000 hours, and it spins at just 90 RPM. The T8 original comes with this 10-inch grindstone. It's 220 grit aluminum oxide, and this stone can be used for either grinding or sharpening operations, depending on how it's graded. A combination coarse, fine grading stone makes this possible. It enables the grindstone to act like either a 220 grit or 1000 grit sharpener, and the grindstone can be regraded whenever necessary. And on the other side of the machine, the T8 original also comes with a leather honing wheel. After charging it with Tormek's white honing compound, the wheel can be used to polish the backs of chisels and plane irons, plus a wide variety of tool edges. Now Tormek is a wet grinding system, so the T8 original has a removable plastic water trough. Once the trough is filled, water keeps the grindstone lubricated and running cool. And at the end of a sharpening session, the trough is easy to empty and clean out with a magnetized scraping tool. Now lubrication and slow speed are what set Tormek apart from other dry grinding systems, and there are many advantages. The grindstone doesn't produce sparks or overheat tool steel, and its abrasive dust doesn't become airborne. And the grinding and sharpening process also happens in a slow and controlled fashion, which dramatically reduces mistakes and damaged tool edges. And since most of us don't sharpen every day, Tormek provides several innovative gauges to help make it easy to set up the machine and jigs accurately. The last feature I'll point out is this universal support with micro-adjust dial. It fits into the machine either horizontally or vertically, and it's the heart of what makes Tormek's T-series sharpening machines so versatile. All of Tormek's optional grinding jigs and accessories fit on this support rod, making sharpening repeatable, reliable, and easy. And here's just a sampling of the types of woodworking and household tool edges a Tormek T-series machine can sharpen with the right jigs. It will sharpen chisels and plane irons, bowl, spindle, and roughing gouges, wood turning scrapers, and cabinet scrapers. All manner of carving chisels and gouges, kitchen knives and hunting knives, hatchets and axes, scissors, and it will even sharpen the various inserts of today's carbide insert turning tools, which will dramatically increase their service life when they dull. Tormek offers more than a dozen sharpening jigs that all fit its T8 original machine. But you don't have to buy them all to put Tormek to work in your shop. You can buy any of these jigs individually to suit the kind of sharpening you need to do. And that's just one way that Tormek can be customized to meet your specific needs. Here's another way to tailor Tormek for you. This brand new T8 custom option. What's custom about this T8 is what you don't see. It doesn't come with a grindstone or honing wheel. The T8 Custom still has the same zinc framework, drive system, and water trough as the T8 Original, but you get to decide which grindstone and honing wheel you want to put on it. Tormek actually has 5 grindstone options in addition to the original aluminum oxide stone, and all of these will fit either the T8 Original or T8 Custom machines. You can choose a Blackstone silicone grindstone specially designed for fast stock removal on high-speed steel. There's also this 4,000 grit Japanese waterstone that produces a mirror-polished final edge without honing. Just last year, Tormek launched this line of monocrystalline diamond stones in coarse, fine, and extra fine grits. The diamonds are fused to a steel core, so these stones will run perfectly true and never need to be graded flat. They can be used wet or dry on soft steel, high-speed steel, carbide, and ceramic. Regardless of which grindstones you choose, they're held in place with Tormek's Easy Lock nut. And changing from one stone to another stone on a Tormek machine is easy. Just grab the honing wheel and turn the stone clockwise to loosen the Easy Lock nut. Take the nut off, slide the stone off, slide the other stone on, thread the Easy Lock nut back into place, and start the machine to automatically tension the nut. There's nothing to it. Tormek also has a new rubber-based composite honing wheel that polishes without honing compound. It's ready to go right out of the box. Or choose a pair of profiled leather honing wheels instead for polishing curved carving and turning tools. And here are a couple of new packaged options from Tormek. This wood turners kit offers all the jigs you'll need for sharpening gouges, scrapers, and skew chisels, plus the profiled honing wheels and a special setup gauge. And this hand tool kit will help you sharpen all manner of knives, hatchets or axes, and scissors. Both kits are packaged in sturdy plastic carry cases with foam liners to keep their contents organized. And if you've ever wanted a dedicated place to keep all of your Tormek supplies with the machine, the company offers this 6-drawer steel sharpening station. The drawers have rubber liners and ride on full extension ball-bearing drawer slides. They're sized to fit the foam liners from the T8 Original machine's accessories, as well as the wood turners and hand tool kits. A non-slip rubber work mat fits the cabinet top and keeps water spills at bay, and 4 hooks fit into holes in the cabinet sides to store extra grindstones. This cabinet also has large adjustable feet, so you can raise your Tormek machine up to a comfortable standing working height. And this rotating base accessory, sold separately, makes it easy to turn the machine from one side to the other without lifting it each time. Tormek wants sharpening to be repeatable, precise, and easy. And now more than ever, you can choose the machine, grindstones, and jigs to build a customized system that suits you best. You can learn more about Tormek's complete product lineup at tormek.com and see a selection of these products at a Rockler store near you. I'm Chris Marshall with Rockler and Woodworker's Journal magazine, and thanks for watching.